Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for Mrs. Rini for giving me opportunity to present the resume journal that I have been working on. Before I present it, let me introduce myself. My name is Serli Pramesela and my name is 201,951,193. I am a 6th semester college student at Al-Kamal Institute of Science and Technology, and I live in Tangerang. Here, I will present a resume of the journal entitled Phytochemical and Antibacterial Properties of Fruit Extract from Portulac oleracillin. Okay, let's start. Pharmacognosy 1 Resume Journal Supporting Lecturer Mrs. Rini Yanuarti SPI MSI. Serli Pramesela. Title: Phytochemical and Antibacterial Properties of Fruit Extract from Portulac oleracillin. Journal: Journal of Medicinal Plant of Economy Development. Volume and page: Volume 5-1 and page 1 until 7. Year 2021. Writer: Emmanuel Oja, Emmanuel Oladel, Philip Chukwomek. Reviewer: Serli Pramesela. Date: 12 June 2022. Abstract: Bacterial as etiological agents have been reported to cause many diseases and have increases the rate of mortality globally. Their resistance to conventional medicine has made medicinal plants a credible alternative in the management of diseases caused by bacterial infection. In the recent time, many research efforts have been directed toward the exploration of phytoconstitution with antibacterial potential. Medicinal plants are widely used as antibacterial agents because of their high therapeutic performance, low toxicity, and affordability. The use of plant is medicine spreads within human history. It is estimated that about 80% of people living in the underdeveloped and developing countries rely on plants as a source of primary health care. Ajala, Olusola, and Odeku 2020. Oja, Moroncola, and Osamudiamen 2020. Ojan and Kachi 2020. Rafiu, Sonibar, Adesanya 2019. Approximately half of medicine in the world are derived from natural products, and more than a quarter of the prescription dispensed annually. And the United States were entirely derived from plants. It was also reported that 80% of the world population, direct or indirect, utilize herbal medicine for the treatment or prevention of diseases. Neumann, Craig, and Snyder 20,000. A wide variety of phytoconstitution perform essential biological, pharmacological, and physiological function. Although orthodox medicine has been accepted by some population of the world, yet greater percent still rely on natural remedies to diseases caused by bacteria. Hence, this study was designed to evaluate the antibacterial activity of phytoconstitution present in root extract Nigerian P. oleracilli. Research purposes. This work was designed to identify secondary metabolites present in root extract of ethomedically utilized for Tulak oleracea and evaluate their antibacterial activity. Research method. Phytochemical screening was carried out using standard quality type test, and the antibacterial activity of extract was evaluated using agar-1 diffusion method, whilst the minimum inhibitory concentration was evaluated by microdilution method. The screening was used against Bacillus subtilis, Candida albicans, Enterobacter cloacae, Escherichia coli, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Microsus luteus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Salmonella typhi, Shigella dysentery, Staphylococcus aureus, and Staphylococcus agalacti, which are responsible for transmission of common disease in Nigeria. Statistical analysis was performed by one-way analysis of variant ANOVA with graphite price 8.0, and results were expressed as mean Duncan new multiple rank test were applied at 0.05 level of significance. Research step. The present study identified secondary metabolites present in root hexane, ethyl acetate, chloroform, and methanol extract of P. oleracea using standard method, or TRIS and effort 2002. Phytochemical screening on root extract showed the presence of carbohydrate, steroid, triterpenes, cardiac glycosid, and saponins, or table 1. The presence of these useful phytochemicals could be responsible for observed antibacterial activity and can be seen as a potential source of antibiotic drugs. This is table 1. Research step. Antibacterial screening on root hexane, ethyl acetate, chloroform, and methanol extract of P. oleracea exhibit good activity against the test organisms from the zone of inhibition obtained. Table 2. This is table 2. Research step. The MIC and MBC of extract were determined in milligram or milli, as present the table 3 and 4 respectively. The MIC or milligram or milli revealed the standard antibacterial drug ciprofloxacin had the highest activity with MIC values. The MIC and MBC revealed that hexane and chloroform extract from P. oleracea had the high antibacterial activity compared with ethyl acetate and methanol fraction. Generally, the antibacterial activity of extract increased with decrease in polarity in order hexane or chloroform, ethyl acetate, methanol. This is table 3. This is table 4. Result. Physicochemical screening of P. oleracea showed the presence of carbohydrate, steroid, triterpenes, cardiac glycosid, and saponin. All extracts show a high level of minimum inhibition concentration, again in pathogen extract. Pneumonia, M. luteus, and P. aeruginosa. Generally, the antibacterial activity of extract expressed with decrease in polarity as compared with ciprofloxacin. The mean values were significantly different by Duncan multiple rank test with. Conclusion. The root of P. L. was collection to investigate its constitution and antibacterial potential with the goal of establishing the presence of bioactive consolidation responsible for the medicine application of the plant. The study revealed antibacterial physicochemical present in root extract of P. oleracea, which support its vast utilization in entomedicine. Our study suggests that P. oleracea could be a potential source for antibacterial drug discovery. I think it's enough. If there are shortcomings, please understand. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.